Today we will use the surfaces to draw this face by using multiple cross sections. Basically by the lofted surface command. This one have multiple cross sections, so we will draw the multiple cross sections from the bottom, middle, and near the end and the end. So this will draw before and then make lofted to get this final shape. I hope you enjoy the video. Hello my friend. Today I will start my tutorial series for advanced drawing in Solidworks. Today we will draw this just like this by using the surfaces tools. Surfaces we have lofted surfaces and boundary surface. So today we will see how to use lofted. First of all, I will draw the cross sections of the vase for on multiple plane. So we start our sketching from front plane, this plane, and right click and choose a new sketch. From here I will just draw use the center rectangular only to make boundaries for my drawing. We can choose we put some boundaries here. This one this one like 60 millimeter, and this one also 60 millimeter, or any dimension suitable for that. This one is only for construction purpose, so no need. I will move it to choose this all. And convert to constructions. So I will draw the cross section. This cross section is from the middle of the bottom here, the middle. So I choose elbow. This one. Like that. And okay. So we finish from this. This is the cross sections of the middle of the vase. And hit exit. Now I will make another plane parallel to this plane, but from a distance. I go to the revision geometry and the plane. The first plane should choose this one. Yeah. 50 millimeter is okay. Yeah, this distance. And then I will choose this plane to draw another cross sections. The cross section from this side will be circle. Like this. And hit OK. We can put some dimensions, or if it's suitable, more suitable. This one is 25, it's okay, millimeter. So okay, and hit exit. Another one also, I will choose this plane, same plane, or this plane, and make a reference the plane also from this one. It will be 20 millimeter. Side from that plane, and hit OK. Here in this one we will draw the upside cross sections of the vase. So hit new sketch, and I will choose some curves to draw these points. Or first we can make guidelines, center lines. So this is only for reference. I will draw some curves, maybe like this is good. Yes. So okay, this one should be, or this point should be lay on this. Or first I will make this one for fixed. So I will choose this point, choose another one, and make intersection. Okay. Also I will draw another one from this side and from this side. So choose this one. Yeah, like that is okay. We can make mirror for this one or on this. So choose this and this and make mirror. So it is okay. Now all this I will make a multiple copy around this one. We will choose all these first. And I will make multiple copy from this linear circular sketch pattern. Yeah, like that. It's okay. You can see. Okay, it is okay. I think. Okay. So it is okay. All these points I don't need them like this. Okay, I will make them tangent here. No, not like this. We can make or like this one. It's okay also. It's beautiful, but we can, or we choose the fillet. Yeah, okay, fillet is okay. From millimeter, okay. So this one is good. Yeah, okay. So now we done from this cross section, and we hit exit. So we need now the bottom cross section. Also we make a plane from this plane, geometry, plane. Here we choose flip offset, so we'll go in this direction. You see, this will go from this direction. This one is 20 millimeter. We choose 50 millimeter. So this one is okay. Now also I will choose draw new sketch from this one. Here the bottom cross section. We will also it is somewhat similar to this one. We will make, but bigger than this. So also we will draw center line. From this one, this point, okay, and also another center line from this point to this point, okay. This one just make fixed. We don't want to move this one. So now also we will make the bottom cross section. Here we also choose this one. we draw from here. It's okay. Now we choose this one, point, and choose this one, hit shift, and choose this one also, and make coincident or coincident. Okay. So here we need to draw another circle, or we make multiple copy from this one. So we go to circle pattern. Okay, it is already okay. And now we will make another, just like that. It's okay. And we can put dimension here for this. All these curves we can put dimension. We can put suitable dimension if you have engineering drawing, and you can put dimension, but only for demonstration purpose only. So we can put anything, but you can put dimension. Otherwise, we can put dimension. You can choose this is the length of the arc, or the radius of the arc. Everything you can do here. So here we choose this one and make tangent. Also this one and make tangent. Okay. Now choose this one and make circular pattern. Sorry. Circular, not linear. Circular pattern. So now it's okay. It's okay. So this is the bottom or the bottle. So hit exit. So this is the cross section, all the cross section of the bottle. We can make guides. So the direction of the lofted surface will go along the guides, or we can make lofted only on these cross sections. We have these disciplines to make clear for the drawing. So we can make here we go to surface, this one. If you don't have this one, just right click. Sorry, if you don't have this one, just right here, right click. So I'm in here, right click, and from tabs, and you can find surface. You choose and put here. So now we choose lofted surface, and we will choose this surface one by one, from here, until this one. So from here. So we choose this one, and this one. If we have curves, we can put the curves here, the guide curves. So here the shape also it is okay. See, if we have guide curves, if we need to put the guide curves, we can put guide curves. Here we can choose here and guide curves. So this is the shape. We can close this one. This one is open. We can close. We can use the fillet surface command. So here the patch boundary, we choose this one. This is the open boundary, and hit OK. So this one will close it, as you see. Is it closed? Here this one we can also make. So first we should give thickness for this. This is only a surface, so we can put we can choose thickness, thicken all these. Or sorry, first we need to knight. because this one is separated from this one. So we choose both these, this one and make night. Now we can hit thicken. Now we choose all this. Thicken 1 millimeter is okay for the out and inside. Also, you can see here. So this one is okay. This is fully thickened. Now we can make a fillet for this. This is the bottom. Here we choose maybe 5 millimeters, okay. 5 millimeters is too much. 3 millimeter. Okay, let's see. So this is good. Here we used only the lofted surface command, as you see here. Only the lofted surface command. The lofted surface is used where these, or where there is a multiple cross sections for the geometry. When we have multiple cross sections, or when we can get multiple cross sections for the geometry, we can use the lofted surface. Also, if we have guide curves for the lofted surface, for the lofted cross sections, we can use the lofted surface command. Boundary surface is used when there is only boundaries for the surface. Only boundaries, no guides. Only boundaries, so we can use the boundary surface. In coming video, I will draw another shape by using the boundary surface command. So this is our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy watching this video and learn something. Please subscribe to our channel and hit like, and share it with your friends. And thanks for your watching.